when someone gets a job, that cannot be counted as well because that job can be taken away anytime. According to the MASLOW hierarchy of needs, our needs as human beings are classified in 5 classes. So the bottom of the barrel, or rather, not even the bottom, the most important one is the physiological needs. These are air, water, food, shelter, clothing, reproduction. Those are physiological needs. And a human being, to be able to stay happy, restful, those ones need to be taken care of. The second level is the safety needs. Now, these safety needs are personal security, employment, resources, health, property, such things. We call them safety needs. You need to feel secure. Then the third level is love and belonging. For human beings to be happy, you need to belong to somebody. You need to belong somewhere. So those are friendships, intimacy, family, sense of connection. You need to have those. Those are important needs. And you climb like that now to the next level called esteem. Esteem is a level whereby you want to be respected. You have a status, you have recognition, strength, freedom. This is where now you see people calling you for, you're a guest of honor and stuff like that. Then the top of the pyramid is called self-actualization. Your daily problem at night is to become the best version of yourself you can be. We can say now you're self-actualized. So in life or in investment or in your wealth journey, there are 4 types of portfolios that you must have. So the first type of portfolio that you need is called lifestyle portfolio. So remember what I listed before, the physiological needs. The lifestyle portfolio caters for your basic needs, that is food, shelter, clothing, reproduction, those family, like the lowest level. If you're not being able to meet those, then we could say you are poor or you are heading to poverty. So when someone gets a job, that cannot be counted as well because that job can be taken away anytime by reason of downsizing of a company. Whoever had invested may think otherwise and shut down that company. Someone can be unwell and become disabled and they can't perform anymore. These are things that happen in life. It's good to feel good that you have a highly paying job because you probably studied abroad or somewhere good for you to have that job, or you've just gone through a lot of favor. But sitting there and thinking that you're counting your job as part of your wealth, that is a bit deceiving. The thing you need to do with your salary is to start a lifestyle portfolio, a portfolio geared to take care of your food, your shelter, your family, that is school fees, all those things, the basic needs that they need, all matters held constant. We are not going into emergencies and medical and all that. That is in the next level. But the first level, food, shelter, clothing. All right? That is the lifestyle portfolio. Basically, if you're earning a good amount, a decent amount, you need to take at least 20% at least and invest in a marketable security, giving you between 8% and 11% towards your lifestyle portfolio. These examples of such funds are the money market funds, government bonds, treasury bills, also a bit of commercial papers and fixed deposit here and there. And the easiest way to invest in this is through a fund manager. All these fund managers are on the papers, and you can Google and find the ones locally and then internationally, and then you can start your investment journey. If you need any help, I can help with that. The next portfolio that you need to be able to now go to the next level of your wealth creation is security portfolio. So the security portfolio takes care of healthcare, home ownership, insurance premiums, annual family vacations, emergency funds. Now you're getting somewhere. You are now a person who is beginning to get, living a high quality life. And this portfolio doesn't have to be done once the lifestyle portfolio is up and running. You can have them concurrently. The more your income grows, the more you allocate more funds for different types of portfolios. But the most important, the first step is the lifestyle portfolio. The second step is the security portfolio. Now, the third step is the aspiration portfolio. Now, this portfolio takes care of luxury assets, exotic getaways, charities, foundations, holiday homes, prestigious things. Now, you're even moving from your own to your family to now charitable organizations. And these are things that happen automatically. A person who is earning wealth, think about it like an ocean or a stream of water. If that water is not having an outlet, then that becomes like a swamp, and dead things only live there. So I'm just giving it this analogy to tell you, if you're earning, if you have an income, if you have an abundance, you need to also share with others. The more you let go, not wastefully, but as a good steward, the more you receive. So a portion of your money should go to giving. So this is the third portfolio, aspiration portfolio. And the last portfolio is legacy portfolio. This portfolio is for estate planning, that is like trust funds, succession, planning your multi-generational wealth transfer. That's what that portfolio is all about. So just to recap, you begin with the lifestyle portfolio that takes care of your basic needs, physiological needs. Then you go to the security portfolio, which is a bit secondary, and it takes care of medical bills, insurance premiums, all those things. And there's nothing that can bring down an empire or a wealth creation journey than a sudden medical bill from a loved one. There's nothing you won't do for your loved one. So you could be doing very well in lifestyle, but if your loved one falls sick and you don't have a medical cover, you will drain that fund and pay for that person. Been there. And blood is something we can't be able to explain. People go lengths even after they are told nothing can be done. We hang on to faith, and we can give about just about anything for our loved ones. So it's important, after you have set up your lifestyle portfolio, then now you must have your security portfolio. And like I said, I'll have different episodes for the lifestyle portfolio, so that you can do an in-depth. It's important you understand how do you calculate how much the lifestyle portfolio should be. I will detail all that in the coming weeks. And then the third portfolio, aspiration, and then the last portfolio, legacy. Now, all these portfolios, the four of them, their aim is one thing: to get you financially free, so that you don't get disrupted by life occurrences. People have lived long and have observed that some of these things keep repeating themselves, like a medical bill, like, death of a loved one, like school fees is not an emergency. Giving birth and needing maternity, fees is not an emergency. It's things that will happen. It's a given. So it's better to plan for them than be shocked and short-circuited your journey because you didn't plan. So we've come to the end of this episode, and I hope you've learned something. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like. Also, press the notification button so that you can be notified whenever we have a new episode. Additionally, visit our website for more resources. And if you'd like a meeting with a financial advisor, just click on book a meeting, either specifically on the portfolio that you need help. All these portfolios are listed on our website, so you can click on the one that you need expounding. If it's a full financial advisory, you can still indicate that, and we'll be waiting for you on the other end to guide you on this financial literacy journey. Have yourself a blessed evening, a morning, or an afternoon, whatever time it is, and see you on the next episode. God bless you.